When it comes to cross-border transfers, OFX service has emerged as a reliable and low-cost option for individuals and businesses. If you are looking for the best way to send to Nepal using OFX service, this guide will help you understand the process, benefits, and practical tips. OFX allows you to transfer money internationally with competitive exchange rates and low or even zero transfer fees in many cases. Unlike traditional banks that add high margins, OFX provides mid-market aligned rates, making it a cost-effective choice for families, students, and business owners sending funds to Nepal. The process is straightforward. 1. Register for an OFX account at www.ofx.com. 2. Verify your identity online. 3. Initiate your transfer, select Nepal as the destination, and enter the recipient's bank details. 4. Fund your transfer via bank transfer, debit card, or ACH, depending on your country. 5. Track your transaction through the OFX app or website. Now let's talk about some lesser-known tips to maximize your experience with OFX when sending money to Nepal. 1. Choose off-peak hours for booking. Exchange rates fluctuate during global market hours. Booking your transfer when European and US markets are closed often secures steadier rates. 2. Use OFX forward contracts. If you plan frequent transfers to Nepal, you can lock today's exchange rate for future payments. This protects you against currency fluctuations. 3. Split large transfers strategically. Instead of sending one lump sum, break the transfer into smaller parts when the market trend looks uncertain. This minimizes risk if the exchange rate suddenly drops. 4. Leverage Nepalese bank partnerships. Some Nepalese banks have faster clearing arrangements with OFX's partner banks. Choosing those banks as recipients can cut delivery times by hours. 5. Monitor seasonal patterns. During festival seasons like Dashain and Tihar, currency demand in Nepal rises. Sending before these peak times can secure stronger rates. The best part is that OFX provides 24/7 customer support, real-time tracking, and transparent fee structures, making it trustworthy compared to remittance apps that hide charges.